To my channel. So today we are going to see Reliance, HDFC and ICICI Bank. We would start with the price action chart because today we had Nifty expiry, so it's important to compare these stocks. Okay, so when you check Nifty, you could see almost sideways close, but we know that it was a V-shaped recovery. Now let's check the stocks. We'll start with Reliance. So this is Reliance chart, and then let me keep for August month alone because I don't want to confuse you all. So 31st we had expiry right here, so this was the new start here, open, and then you could see this was the zone, and the SL of the upside is already hunt, and the SL of the low side is also hunt, and market is exactly at its support, gave the close at support. Okay, that's good. For Reliance, we'll see HDFC Bank. So you could see why Reliance and Bank Nifty were going up because of these stocks. Now let's just analyze for August. This was open, and then you could see when you keep this as a zone, so all the downside SL has been hunt for HDFC Bank. Now it's exactly at the close at important support. Now it should go up because already the SL zone is present here, which is going to be hunt by this week. Now we have ICICI Bank, same. So you could see open, and it was drifting down and also drifting down, but it didn't touch the support. So ICICI is having more confirmation to go downtrend. We'll check that confirmation in the OI as well. I'm going to take the overall OI, then we will compare the close range OI. So first off, I'm going to check is Reliance. So this is Reliance, and then you could clearly see how the OI was very equal here, and price action is deferred here. So sometimes there could be a chaos in the market where by looking at open and close you will say that it was a sideways day, but when you check the price action, it was actually a V-shaped recovery, inverted V shape, or any other shape which would have actually done the SL hunting job. Okay, so here you could clearly see, but the price action, you see how vague it was. Okay, so HDFC overall, when you see, it is in the deciding phase because the call put are almost writing are almost equal. ICICI clearly building up its resistance. You could see the call writing has been doing pretty good job here by adding up its position. Okay, now we have Reliance. This is the expected range, and 500 is the lot size. When you check OTM, it's 22 and 61, so clearly resistance is there in the market for Reliance. Okay, next we will take HDFC Bank. So this is HDFC Bank, and when you check the OTM, it is 15 and 23, so not that much of HDFC Bank because it is still in the zone area. 550 is the lot size, and this is the expected range. So as I told you, 2K is very good support as well as resistance for HDFC Bank. So let's wait and watch. ICICI, this is the range. When you check OTM, it's 10 and 19, so clearly resistance is there and call writing has been added. Now we'll check the price action, and we'll do a small price action comparison here with the charts. So one side I'm keeping the straddle chart, the other side will have the actual price action chart. So first off, I'm going to take is Reliance, and here we are going to add up the Reliance chart. So let's just do the small case study here. So you could clearly see open for Reliance is 1390. Okay, so the red line. Okay, so here this is a profitable trade. Why? You see open is here, close is here. That means open equal to close means should be a sideways day, but price action has not or does not have to reflect what OI has to say. That's why we have to check both OI as well as price action. But when in terms of P&L calculation, let's do 55 to 51. Okay, so the DK is open, which is 55, minus close, which is 51. Okay, So that's actually a positive 4 points decay, and one lot for Reliance is 500 times 4 is actually positive 2k plus tax and brokerage. Okay, so you could see how the close is there, so that is a gap, and if open is high then close, then it is a positive decay. If open is down and close is up, then it's a negative decay. So this is the cheat code you have to understand. Okay, now we'll move to HDFC Bank. So this is HDFC Bank. HDFC price action is actually very good. As you could see, it has already 100 all the SL, and wow, the price action is just good. So open is here, but the close was way above, and definitely when you check the open for HDFC is 1980 yellow line, and then you could see it was a definitely loss because of the price action. You could see how here a long straddle has got the chance. Here also the long straddle have got the chance to grab some 3 points. So whenever it comes to stocks, to 3 to 5 points is the best or the max decay where a non-directional seller can get. This is ICICI Bank. Okay, so this is ICICI Bank, almost V shape. Open for ICICI Bank is 40. We'll take 40, and this was a profitable trade. So that's it, guys. Thank you.